So the category manager, located in the site configuration, right here underneath module configuration, is actually what you're going to be using to categorize all the different module publishings you have. So all throughout your modules, you'll have calendar events, job postings, news articles, blog publishings, forums, forum categories, etc. Let me go ahead and open up Category Manager. And here you'll see we have blog, bookings, calendar of events, which is your calendar, jobs, news, and podcasts. So you can create categories for these. Let me uncollapse this one here. And let's create a new category for news. Let me just drag this over. So I selected new category and I drag this over to news and I'll drop it right on top of. And we'll call this news one just first category. Save and update. And let me right click first category. And with properties, I can only really change the category name, but I can actually change the highlight color to say this red color, or maybe even one of these bluer colors. Let's say this blue color here. Now, if I save this, and let me actually go to the news module, and in this first article here, I can drag it all the way down and select a new category and say first category. So this is how we categorize our news articles and all our other publishings, and you'll see it has this little blue ribbon here. Um, and the same is true for if I go into here, we have all these categories for the calendar module. So let me go ahead and go to the calendar module, and you'll see I have these categories already. But if I add a new event, and we'll just call this training event 2. Let me go down to miscellaneous. It's always under miscellaneous on this right-hand side. Underneath category, these are all the categories I have to work with, and it'll actually color code them depending on the color that we choose for them. So this is how the category manager works.